So guys, it's been a very long time.
Oh yes.
How long did we want to do that?
Since like October or something.
Yeah, but we couldn't do it earlier. And now we're gonna do it. We will upgrade the CPU, RAM and SSD.
Yes.
In this iMac. This is a late 2012 iMac.
As you can see.
The thin new design.
Yes.
It is the base model with the i5, and I think right now it has 8 gigabytes of RAM.
Yeah.
So we will upgrade that to i7.
Oh yes.
3770S.
Yes.
That is the one that Apple also offered. So this should work.
Yes.
And that will make this a quad core. Right now it is a quad core. We're so prepared. But it's an i7. It should be much faster.
Yes.
Then 16 gigabytes of RAM.
Yes.
And
SSD
480 gigabytes.
Yes.
Now, the thing with those iMacs is
they're thin, but they're shit to open up.
We thought this is hard. But compared to this, that is like a fractal design case. No, I'm just kidding. It's not that great, but both of us have never opened one of those up.
Never before.
And so
people will call us crazy, but we'll do it.
We'll do it, and yeah. My God, it's so thin. This is.
Yeah, it's very thin.
So I am prepared this time. We have the iFixit toolkit to loosen every pentalobe and torque screw,
whatever there is.
And this, which is when we're done, hopefully everything still works. Then we have to glue the display back in.
No,
So,
I can't wait.
oh, it's gonna be fun. And also in there is this tool, which is like a little pizza cutter, which will cut the adhesive.
Yes.
I mean, if you came here, I know some of you might have clicked this because they thought it's a tutorial, but it's really not. It's just us figuring it out.
Yeah, don't be like us.
Basically, we will show you the right thing the wrong way.
Yeah, exactly. That's well put.
It already starts with this packaging. The iMac opening tool.
Very professional name.
Also known as pizza cutter.
Yes, it really is. It's a pizza cutter. Can it focus? Yes, pizza cutter, there you go.
Did you manage to focus it?
Yes.
Oh shit, we don't have the iMac service wedge.
What is the iMac service wedge?
That's like the latest food at the restaurant.
The potato wedges.
It's like something that holds the iMac like this, but you really need that.
First of all, no, we have 4 hands, so we can do it.
Yeah, so yeah, literally the second step after the service wedge thing, which
we just ignore.
Yeah, you have to start cutting the iMac up.
How far can you go in before is it
well, like
that's
the good thing about this opening tool.
Only made that
it's made so it doesn't destroy anything.
That's clever.
Should we try?
I can see that there's a little gap. Like there's a small one.
Yeah.
And you can go in there.
Okay.
But the question is, yes. Yeah, you can get in. It works.
Okay. Oh my God, this is like taking out a window in a house kind of
it's kind
situation.
of like that. Maybe the people can see.
Ah shit, this is
maybe,
terrible.
Can you maybe hold the glass just to be sure that it doesn't like suddenly decide to bolt?
It's maybe not a bad idea, but how do you mean?
I
think if I hold it down, it might just crack as well.
Yeah, not hold it down, but just be prepared if it might.
Oh yeah, sure.
Okay, I'm in, that's for sure.
I think you're doing not a bad job. This is...
There should be no cable, right? So I can go full around.
Run the tool up along the left side of the display and continue running the tool up around the top left corner.
What now, Maya?
It says set the iMac face up on the table. So yeah, like face up is like a weird weird saying of laying down. Where's the pizza thing?
Yeah, maybe lift this slightly.
But this gets in so easy.
Yeah, it's well designed for that, yeah.
I think maybe.
Ah, you're in, yes.
Yes.
I'm gonna hold it a bit.
Yes, okay, I can feel it's cutting it.
Yeah, that's surely loose now, yeah.
I can see, wait, hold it there. That was awesome. There is still one.
I can feel some. Yeah, that's better now.
It lifted now a bit, huh? There's another one.
Yeah, maybe try to. Look here.
There's another
I can also see something here.
Here are the cables, yeah.
Can you hold it so I can reset the camera? Or?
Yeah, please. Yeah. I will, yeah. I think here this comes out like this with a. This is a socket. Yeah, it is. And when this displays a weight, it's gonna be much easier.
Yeah.
It's just.
I can even see the hard drive on it.
Mm.
Don't want to stress it less. Can you do it now?
From the
From the inside, yeah.
No possible. Yeah, okay. And now we have to.
Oh, we can lift it.
We can lift it.
Where is the glue?
Where is
it
the
like
glue?
there?
But I can still feel it's adhered.
Oh, well.
Whoa.
Whoa. We got it.
Oh my god, that feels so fragile, I don't believe it. Look at this thin shit. Look at that, mate. My god.
We did it.
There we go.
Oh my god.
No, honestly, that wasn't so bad.
No, that wasn't that bad.
It wasn't easy, but it was...
But I think without the right tools, oh no.
Oh, don't do that. I hope I didn't screw anything up here.
I don't think.
It looks fine.
Yeah, it looks fine, yeah. Yeah, so there you go. There is an iMac 12?
2012, yeah.
So you might say, where's the CPU? Well, Apple in its genius put it upside. Yes! Why?
And of course you can't just take up this.
You know, they could have just
everything.
Yeah, they could have just swapped it. Just this and then this here and this.
Why? What is the problem there?
Yeah. Oh, the Screwmania.
Screwmania stops. Lower support bracket. Now we have to flip it up again.
Okay, this way.
Let me know how heavy it is now.
It's very light.
It's like the monitor is like 50% of the weight, right?
Definitely, yes. We loosened up these screws. We went on archaeological discoveries. I feel like a teacher with this here. Like, look at this.
Perfect. Show every component.
Yeah, there you go. What is this, children? This is a fan. What is this, Tim Cook? Do you remember? So yeah, we put this plastic piece on. True.
So right now we have to do the right speaker.
Yeah, the right one, yeah.
This
so
one.
this is also a speaker. This big chunk.
Like this whole thing is a speaker only.
That's gigantic.
Like the guy pulls directly on the cable. I just don't feel comfortable doing that really.
Two screws.
T10 of course, not a fillet.
Terminator screws.
Terminator screw.
It's weird, look at this, how it's molded. This is weird in a way.
Only Apple does it. Maybe it's something because of the vibrations of the sound.
That could be that it doesn't.
It really could be.
Yeah, because it's yeah, that makes sense. There you go. There's the other one.
Alright.
Well, now.
So here we have to take it out now. I hope.
Just take it out. Just take it out. Yeah, it looks like it's going. Yeah.
Wow, it's like a What?
Oh, okay.
For a second I thought.
Wait, let me just. There you go, guys. That looks fancy.
Yeah, this fancy. Like
There you go.
2 speakers.
Oh, there you go.
Wow.
Fancy speakers.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Only Apple will screw a hard drive in with 3 different types of screws.
What the fuck? Why?
2 T10 that are 21 mil and 2 different lengths
So the
ones.
same one here.
But it's all the same driver, yeah.
Okay, the same Adam driver.
Yeah. But of course different lengths because lol.
Because
There's really no reason for that, but hey.
Okay, number 1.
But at least it.
Damn, it's a long screw.
Yeah, it's like 21 mil. It's quite a long screw, yeah. Okay, guys, why all of a sudden drop in the quality?
Because where is it?
There,
Oh, there.
the
Because-
fancy
yeah.
camera doesn't want to stay on.
Yeah, sadly it's overheating because it wasn't designed for video. So
Yeah.
there you go. Great camera for photography, but
Awesome camera, but can't use it.
so yeah, we're back.
Kind of
to our-
sucks a bit, but hey.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys,
We unscrewed the
Yeah.
screws for the bracket for the hard drive, and now
and now do we have to take it out or
just pull both off.
is that even?
It's just a bracket. Yeah. Wow, even with
wow.
rubber holding it.
Holy crap!
Oh no, there isn't. No.
There it is.
Yeah, so guys, if you don't know, iMacs, obviously for space reasons, have an exposed power supply, and if you touch that with your hand, first of all, that's actually dangerous.
Yeah, it's definitely. I left it off in advance for
That's good,
a reason because
Yeah, and even then, it can still
still
have
hold.
voltage in there.
especially on the other side
Exactly.
we're gonna go to.
So always try to not touch that.
Yeah, we'll just try to get our hands.
Because
as
even if
far
it doesn't
away.
hurt you, you can definitely break something if you do that.
Yeah. There we
There
go.
we go. Okay. Good.
I think that's a speaker cable or,
Probably. Yeah.
or the
Yeah.
power button or something. And what now, mate?
Another cable?
Can you look? Yeah, of course.
Shit.
It's gonna be so much fun.
What now? Side of the AC inlet cable.
Got it.
Oh, or like that.
It's like this.
Now look, now we can show the people.
But getting it back in is not so hard then.
there you
there.
go. This is the exposed power supply.
Woo! Look at that, isn't it awesome? Like, what could have stopped them from putting a shield over it just to protect a little bit?
It would cost something.
It would cost something. Where do we put that so we don't get sacked? I'll put it here.
Yeah.
Alright, the dangerous part is
Yeah.
over.
Walter White is gone
So-
out of the museum.
Yeah, he was the danger. So we had the scary part
Yeah.
with the glass,
The dangerous
the dangerous part, and now it's probably the
annoying part.
annoying part.
part. Okay, good.
Look at that's gonna be so much
Oh
fun.
yeah, look at all this antennas.
Yep, that one. Let's just take it off.
Yep, it's out.
Alright, great, and now remove the fan.
Oh god, again T10, they're so nice.
But thankfully they didn't like use different
Yeah.
sizes.
That's good.
And when this fan is off, like the machine gets really empty then.
Is that like a spring screw that doesn't go out?
Well, no. But I mean, it has to come out when we move it.
Whoa! It moved out before I.
Well, at least the plastic is not porous yet.
Yeah, that's good. It's not such an old product.
No.
It should be enough. Then just lift it up.
Yeah, basically, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Well, there we go. We'll clean that
Oh
later.
damn! Look.
Holy crap!
Oh damn!
Did this still cool anything? My god, it looks disgusting. We'll go to the air compressor then.
Yeah.
I mean, we're doing super weight reduction here.
Yeah. Look, it's such a light iMac.
That one.
And just gently, because there's still the cables, of course, on the other side.
I see. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, of course, disconnect the SATA power cable.
You couldn't have put the cable here. No.
No.
No, can't do that. There we go.
Yes.
HDD is gone. We'll swap that later for the
Yes.
SSD.
Yeah, then you can just...
Man, it is so light.
Right, because there's nothing in there anymore.
It's like, at this point, it's like almost
Empty,
all taken out.
Oh, there's cables on there still. I missed.
Are they like glued on?
no, it's just like...
Or the
No.
But we'll find it later.
It's like just guiding the cables here.
Okay. If we flip it upside down, will
We'll
it come
just
out?
go ahead.
Alright.
Well, look guys, we're professional. Yep, it
Alright.
fell out.
There we go.
That's how you do it. What now, Mike?
That one might.
So you wait. Do you need something applied?
Yeah, it's probably easier with the...
Yeah, it's definitely easier. Yeah. What do? You just...
Yeah, you again have to walk it out.
Oh no. I see. Hey, we have another Schnappel.
Really? That's
Yes.
the first Schnappel.
It's an aluminium Schnappel.
Oh, that's high quality
Holy
Schnappel.
shit! Yeah, I did it.
Great.
No, the other two.
Yeah. Not the other ones, yeah. Alright.
Yep.
And now we'll use a spatcher to unclip the fancy eyesight camera cable. That's like this.
This one here.
This
Yeah,
one,
yeah. It's kind of obvious.
Yeah, obvious. Yeah, it's going to the camera there, as you can see, the amazing 720p camera. Or how much is it? I think 720p.
7. Do you really think it's full HD?
Maybe
and
it's
an
even
iMac?
less. Who knows?
No,
Maybe
I
it's
think they had
480.
HD. In
I
there.
think already mine had already HD.
Yeah,
so
and then Apple was like,
wait, I'll just use my hand. There, it's easier.
yeah, it's not that.
I mean, these are sturdy antennas. If you've ever worked on some smartphones antennas, you know those really small ones,
Yeah,
on the
yeah.
Samsungs and all that. Oh, terrible.
Use the flat edge of a spatula to pry the headphone jack. What? The headphone jack cable?
Is it that one there? That little thing?
Yeah, I guess. So.
It's like this random cable,
Yeah,
like
this
almost they forgot. Oh shit, we need that.
Yeah,
too."
it makes sense because here's. Yeah.
Is that like clipped in?
Yeah, it looks like it clipped in. Yeah. Yep.
It's like an iPhone.
Yeah, it's
Right, that worked.
nice.
And it fell.
Nice.
Like the SATA connection caught it. There we go. Alright, let's start with that one. Wait, at this point I'm really curious why we had to remove the screws from this, because if that stays in there then it's...
no, it's all one piece.
Oh, that's screwed in there.
Yeah.
Ah, I see. So why does it come
Whoa. Just rip on it.
Alright.
Okay, now you need to get tilted. Okay. Tilt the top of the logic board away from the rear enclosure, so like that.
Like...
Yeah. Be careful not to snag the board on any of the rear case screw posts.
Snack?
No idea, it's a snag. The I/O ports at the bottom of the logic board will be the greatest challenge.
Really? Okay. Oh shit, I see. Yeah, alright, it's coming.
It is recommended to pull gently to... Yeah. What does it... Yeah. Yeah, there you go.
Basically, the entire iMac computing is here.
Look, we all completely... Oh, damn.
Oh, damn. Here is the
And
CMOS.
capacitors look nice.
It's a nice designed board,
Yeah.
definitely. So, just to give you a quick tour of this board.
Yes.
Here is the RAM, right there. So,
We were right.
yeah, we were right. Here is the CPU
Yeah.
under there.
And that's the GPU.
That's the GPU, yeah, that can't be upgraded anymore.
Mm-hmm.
There's the CMOS battery. At this point, I'm thinking of swapping that into.
Yeah, and what is that?
I have... Oh, it's a card different. Ah, I have this one, which is a CR. A CR, and this is a BR. So,
Yeah.
you know what? Alright, screw that.
So Apple again was like, no, we're gonna use the BR.
And the ports and all that. It's really very compact, really.
That's true, that's very compact.
And yeah, but can you believe this is still socketed? Holy shit,
Yeah.
doesn't look like it.
Even the newer ones still do this,
Yeah, that's
actually.
crazy.
It's crazy.
And
that
here
Apple
is the
allows this.
empty iMac shell.
Yeah, there you go. What is all of that here?
Like, this is all the hinge mechanism, the tilting.
Ah,
See that?
Yeah.
See the engineering working there? Is that worth $1,000? We'll get the shell out of the way so you can see something.
And we can finally upgrade. It looks nice with all the ports here.
Yeah, it really looks. This black board always looks kind of cool. So,
alright, so start with the CPU.
Oh yeah, you have to remove the RAM for whatever reason.
Yeah, we have to remove it anyway.
So we'll do that. Let's just hopefully, I'm gonna pray not it's the right RAM.
Show me. It's an MT16JTF5.
All right now.
You know what I mean, right?
Absolutely.
4 gigabytes. Gigabytes.
I mean, 8 gigabytes is still fine for today, but you don't want to go to the hassle of doing that again.
Yeah, exactly. And why not upgrade if we're there?
Yeah, so
it looks like it's the same.
DDR3L, that's what I'm looking for. If it's hopefully a DDR3L. Can you see that somewhere? Well, we're just gonna say, right, it's gonna work.
It's gonna work.
It's probably gonna work.
You know what's gonna be frustrating? Because when we have to put all this in and then this doesn't work, you have to pull it all out again.
That's why we want to glue the display in first.
Yes.
Because we're not that stupid. But hey, mates, we're gonna be positive.
Yes.
There, yeah.
But even then,
it's like behind this shit.
Can you of course.
So Apple.
Why even go for the effort? Because if I have come this far, do you think this will stop me?
It's a last fuck you from them.
It's like a last. Are you sure?
And we will unscrew it in a scissor mode or an X mode.
We also have to clean that here.
Yeah, we'll just do that. We'll go outside in a second and dust it off. Yeah. Damn, it's like. Look at that! This is a freaking bent thing that bends back.
Huh, nice.
Like
exactly like that.
Like a little spring.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're not gonna put this back on, honestly.
No. So if we flip it now, this will fall off.
Probably does. Or do we also have to screw off the GPU heatsink, I think?
Remove the spring plate, yes. What, lift and remove the backing plate? We didn't do that.
The backing plate.
That plate. Wait, that's still screwed in here.
The plate might. There we go,
Got the plate out, mate.
Alright, mate. And now, mate. We're at step 66.
Yeah, 66.
Yeah, I guessed.
88.
No,
88.
Of course. Didn't we already have that here? Is that the T8? But here we have now the ability to reapply some new thermal paste.
All spring screws. Oh well.
I think that's a T9. What I have here. It's just slightly too big. But hey, got it done with the 9 as well. So now we can lift it. There it is.
There you go. The CPU is glued still on there.
Man, that is some crusty. That's the crusty mess here.
There you go.
Come on, CPU. There we go. There, we don't know what yet. Could be a cellar.
Look at this great cooling phase.
Woo! I'll get this here and clean off the NVIDIA.
The NVIDIA.
So I think that's fine for our standards. It's alright.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah.
See what we got here. Let's reveal here what we have. Yep, Core i5 3330S. Still in there. Didn't change.
What lake?
I think Ivy Bridge.
Not
even a lake.
Okay, oh no.
Where do we put it? That's fine. Alright, mates.
There we go.
I think that's a success so far.
And now, we can finally upgrade.
Yes, but I think first we're gonna go outside and blow it off.
Yeah, exactly. So let's do that.
Let's do that. So, guys, we came back from cleaning the parts.
Yes.
Fan looks brand new again.
Look at this. Look how clean it is now.
Yeah, like new. And now we are ready to finally
upgrade.
After how long? 1.5 hours?
Damn.
We are ready, and the honors is all yours.
Oh my
The
god!
Huawei honor is all yours.
Did Huawei not sell Honor?
I
think
no,
I heard
isn't that a
something.
brand from them?
Yeah, it's a brand.
They sold it?
I'm not sure. Maybe I heard something wrong.
Doesn't mean it can't get more cheaper, so it's fine.
Yeah. Probably. Yeah, there it is, installed.
I like that there's like a stamp on
Like
it.
there's some Chinese on it or
Yeah,
Japanese.
that's probably. It's like, oh, 28.
It should work.
Yeah.
So now we'll use, of course, a good thermal paste because the
course.
iMac deserves it.
Yes, definitely.
Noctua, I think it
Oh.
doesn't get better than that.
Maybe show him the camera.
Yeah,
Yeah, there you go.
it's like from my cooler, the same
Yeah.
as yours.
Yeah, I have also Noctua. No, I have a, what is it? A thermal tape.
So, the moment, the celebration, like every time a CPU gets a
Yeah.
new thermal paste. Ah, it will shoot out again. There we go. I think that's enough.
I can't wait for the criticism again.
And here on the little NVIDIA, I don't want to do more.
Yeah,
Really.
I mean, it's a little chip, you shouldn't overdo it.
Yeah, it's gonna be good. So, yeah, now everything in reverse.
Yeah. And now we have to turn it. No, wait, there are more screws, yes.
I'll start here with the NVIDIA.
Yeah.
So it holds in. We don't have to struggle like on this iMac where we have to like flip it 3 times and screw stuff in.
Thanks for this design, Apple. Couldn't you just, whatever, for once not be different?
Like I had this one viewer, like I have to tell you that. Like it must be some kid from the Netherlands. It's like, hey, when are you coming to Netherlands? I will offer you a free joint when you come at my place. And like, is that really such a big thing in Netherlands? Like everybody doing that? You tell me.
Yeah, it seems like
It's like the number one thing.
Netherlands, the home of weed.
Yeah, and in some state of the USA too, right?
Yeah, and some it's allowed there.
It's weird. Right, is that right? I hope it is.
Yeah, it seems.
There's really so much tension on this. Holy shit. You see that? That is like sprung back.
Yeah.
I'll give you the honor to
Oh
do
my
a
God.
crucial upgrade.
Yeah, a crucial update.
How many times have we done that job? That joke.
I have no idea. Probably 88 times.
What, only so little?
Yeah, probably. Okay. Look how difficult it is.
Yeah.
We're back, mates.
Oh, I might. we can say it, no.
No, we can't. We are gonna put the logic, the main board.
Yeah, he already said it. So now we have the fun process of getting it back and aligned, and
Yeah, with all the ports.
it's gonna be fun.
So, it needs to be up more there.
Yeah, looks like a little bit, yeah. But
Is that
maybe, yeah, the ports line up all. If the holes
good? Yeah, the
work.
whole work.
Really?
Yeah, it's done.
No way.
But I have to actually hold it, otherwise it
Okay,
will
so it will fall.
maybe just put 2 screws up there then.
Yeah, wait, I'll just mesh those out first.
Then we don't get screwed.
This can't be going so hard. This is not normal.
This can't be going so hard.
This can't be going up. Yeah, okay, it's offset a bit. Yeah. That's the test.
Yeah, look. Fits perfectly. No, that's the upper ones.
Really?
Yeah, that's for sure the upper
So
ones.
here.
Yeah, the longer ones.
Shit, no, don't fall. But aren't those all the
Like, do you
same?
guys know how fucking stupid we are? We thought, yeah, 4.7 millimeters. Sure. Sure.
Absolutely. So we're at the longer ones. This one.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. Now it will work.
4.7 millimeters.
Why? Like this screw would have like protruded in the back if I were to screw that in. All right, yeah, that's more like it. There you go.
Nice.
If you had a normal screwdriver, no way you could make that.
If you work on Apple products, don't even try. You need those screwdrivers.
I appreciate your braveness, but it's not.
We did this too. Just watch the Mac Pro video. You just get screwed in the end.
Yes, that's a good example on how to do it. I now know even something without looking.
What? Oh my god. Guys, did you see that camera angle? That was insane.
I saw it. I saw it.
No, I saw it, mate. This is really getting out of hand.
No, never is.
Yeah, the day that no, wait. No, did we jam it? Isn't it that cable? Oh no. Oh damn! Look.
What?
Oh holy shit!
No, I don't think that's.
Oh okay.
That's no.
Oh shit! Oh no!
Oh shit!
Oh shit, mate! There we go. Failure.
That's supposed to go here, right?
Whoops! No, you can't get it out. It's completely
No,
stuck.
if I were to try that, I would smash it or rip it.
Okay.
Yeah, alright, it works. There we go, it's free. Yeah, it's a robust cable.
Yeah, okay, good.
Good that you saw that, because if it would have done that later, we would have
Oh, that would have been annoying, yeah.
So, you say this goes also here?
Yep. No kangaroos in Austria, mate.
So that
I even have a t-shirt that says
Really, you have that? Yeah, that says everything. I mean...
I even still have the kangaroo you printed off.
Really?
It's right to my PC.
What?
The kangaroo,
It's
yes.
really the kangaroo?
Yeah.
Yeah, we love
There
kangaroos.
can't be enough kangaroos.
Nah.
Now we can put the plastic piece on again. You know the bracket, the hard drive tray, sorry. The hard drive tray.
The HDDT.
Yeah, the HDT, yeah.
How does it go in like this?
Yeah, like this, yeah.
I hope that is right. It looks good to me.
It's fine.
Look at that, brah.
Look at that, bro.
It's not like the SSD is gonna vibrate too much. You know,
But we're still putting it on just to piss some people off.
like to make sure that the SSD doesn't make any noise.
Because SSDs are known for making noise.
Yeah, horrible noises. So it's flapping around there. Because it's thinner a bit, so it's not... But it's gotta be good.
It actually works quite well.
Yeah! It's good it's because of the form factor. Good. So just squish it in there, right?
There we go.
Yeah, that's not going anywhere.
No, that's not going anywhere.
So.
Plus, we're still gonna put something on it.
Look how awesome it looks with the
And
SanDisk.
this. Apple's like, no!
Fits so nicely in with the black.
What Apple, you have to do the Apple way. Buy something from Samsung, delete the Samsung logo and say it's our fault.
Yes.
Okay, we did. Okay, the fan.
Is this a RAM Samsung? I would love.
No idea, it's just saying it's made in China.
It's M.
It's M. We need to put the fan in mine.
Right, our biggest fan of the...
There we go, that's an old one.
Yeah. Does this go here or there? Do you know that? Or does it even matter?
What are we missing?
A screw for the fan. One is gone.
How does it look like?
12.3 millimeter, so quite a long one.
Something like this? This? No, this can't be, no.
I think we have lost one.
Maybe too soon. Yeah, well.
Well.
Nobody's gone, no.
I'm gonna screw that one in. That seems to me it's smarter than that one.
Yeah.
You never saw that. Well, mate, that
Yeah, it fits.
this isn't going anywhere. So
It's fine.
made it lighter.
Exactly, we re-engineered it.
Yes. So here is plug
Cables in, good. Oh no.
The
The power. You do it.
Yes, I'll do it. But I
How
have
do?
to say,
Oh god, the cable. Like putting those cables that is down there in
it's
again.
gonna be fun. There you go. So how does it go? I think like this.
Yeah, like this, but
And this is the fun.
this is the fun. We have a new word.
Yeah, we do. Yeah, I got it.
Whoa, damn.
Holy shit.
Well, it's a Swedish time.
And I just touched this thing here.
No.
This spool or whatever.
The spool.
How do you say this?
This
Spule, it's in German Spule.
the
Coil.
Coil, yeah, exactly.
To be honest with you, I've done worse really. This wasn't
Yeah.
so bad. So I've seen worse. But fitting that in there is gonna be fun.
Is that it?
No, not yet.
Cable, I think, is blocking a little bit.
There, yeah. Oh, it aligns. No.
Yes.
Really?
Lines. Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Holy shit.
So we just push too much. It shouldn't even go there. Yeah, let's go.
Okay, got it. Look how well it sits now.
Yeah, looks completely fine. Now the other one, right?
Alright, looking more complete by every step.
Yes.
So I think now's the speaker time, right?
Let's see. That.
HDD?
No, we need to put the brackets on first for the HDD.
Oh, the brackets.
The brackets. Yeah, this was the one with the three different screws.
Look how they cemented the hard disk in there, like...
Like, no, it's not getting out.
You're not getting it out.
Stop it.
I'll start with this.
Okay, so those two here.
There we go. It's screwed in. Man, I just dig the looks of this SanDisk. It just
It
black,
looks nice.
looks
It
so cool.
fits perfectly.
Yeah. This here, that
Yeah,
secures.
on the bottom, the long one again.
Okay, the long one.
Yep, the long one on the bottom.
Man, that's even longer. Could
Yeah,
that be?
27 millimeters.
Man.
Surely 7 mil.
Oh, absolutely.
And
Oh,
then-
this screws back in the case.
Yeah,
I can
exactly.
feel,
That's
yeah.
why it's that long. Yeah, and then the very small one, and that even holds the fan on even more. So.
Yeah, look, so no problemo.
No problemo.
Good.
Danny Montana.
Danny.
Put in das Screws. Wanna fuck with me, Apple? Fuck with me.
You're only fucking with the very best.
Say hello to my little friend.
That's just awesome. How does it go?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, it's this Lego.
Yeah, it's Legos. And then just how many? Let me guess, 2 different screws, right?
I could imagine, yeah. And this cable goes where exactly?
You just see.
I think
They are somewhere in the middle. There, this thing here, right?
I'll plug it in first because if I put it in all
Yeah.
the way, it's probably hidden there, and we
And then
can't reach it anymore. All right, so mate,
it's almost filled up again.
this is looking very complete now.
Okay.
So I think now it's time for the monitor. Did that? Yeah.
No,
Oh yeah.
the plastic piece.
Where's the? Yeah, where's the?
I think I put it somewhere there. Yeah, it must be this way for the screws to go in. For a second I thought you dropped it.
Here.
Nice.
Man, when we turn this on,
Guys, this will be really tense. Because if it doesn't turn on,
crap, mate.
we're turning off the camera. And now,
The fun
the
starts.
display!
Woo!
Woo!
You know, mate, that we have to put this. We have to unplug it again after we tested it. Remove it again. Put the strips in, the adhesive strips, and then glue it in.
Well,
Woo!
woo!
You love it.
How about
Shit.
wait, there, and then I'll hold it.
Yeah, that would be awesome. Like, I just imagine if I have to do that alone, it's terrible.
Can you really like do this alone without failing immensely?
Probably if you have lots of skill and patience.
So not
Alright,
like
lower
me.
it. Beep, beep, beep. Stop.
That was us in a nutshell. Working in a
Alright, this is the moment, mate.
might. Better is careful about that.
I wanted to lay on the floor so that it doesn't fall. So guys,
This is
Mate.
the moment. Wait, there's one more thing.
Yeah. You're ready for this.
I'm ready for this. Okay, guys, the magic moment. Where is it? There it is.
Yeah.
Should I power?
Yeah, press it.
Please. That is. Oh! Yes!
Signal!
Oh!
Alright,
Holy shit. Please show me
if
something.
it really shows an OS, like, that would be total win.
But.
At this point, I don't know if the cloning worked.
Actually, takes some time now. It's like, what is inside me?
Probably. Well, also, I'm glad that the RAM works.
Yes, we know that.
And the computer itself also works.
Yes.
It just doesn't load an OS right now.
Oh.
Oh.
It just took some.
Trolled
Yes.
us a bit, okay?
Look at the loading speed.
Come on, iMac, come on, iMac. I'll get a keyboard.
Yeah.
That's exciting.
First, like, do you remember any video where it worked the first time?
try. Didn't do on this iMac.
No, didn't, yeah. What did we forgot the cable, right?
I think the power for the monitor.
That's so typical of us.
We'll test it out a bit, see if it recognizes everything, if the sound worked.
Yeah, the sound works, we know that.
The camera.
Yeah. Yes!
Loaded
Perfect,
OS.
Catalina.
Awesome. Oh, power.
Yes, the ports work.
Ports work. I mean, how should they not work?
Yeah,
they're soldered on.
Exactly. There we go.
Okay,
Look at this bad display.
Yeah, like people give this display crap.
Yeah, look at
It's
the
a really
bezels.
nice panel. Awful, right?
Yeah, totally.
Are you ready?
Awful. Yes,
Are you
show
ready?
us.
Yes! There you go, mate.
Wait, I'm show it from another angle.
There you go.
There.
Quad Core i7.
7, yes.
16 gigabytes
Nice.
of RAM. And
SSD.
SSD.
We did it, mate.
we did it, mate. Man, I'm so relieved. We didn't kill it.
No.
Didn't damage anything.
Everything works.
Let's just go to photo booth.
Yeah, show the cam.
And
yep.
yep, alright. Great.
Hello.
Didn't kill it.
Even the LED works.
Awesome.
Yes, everything
I'm
works.
so excited.
Nice.
Mate. You don't believe that. I can't wait to run a Cinebench.
Oh, yes.
Awesome.
Nice.
Let's glue that stupid display in there. Alright. Number 1. Not just yet. There we go. And the bitch. There we go.
Okay.
Awesome.
Got it.
Got it. Alright. That one's also on.
Yes.
And now, is this also still the shit? Oh, this is still the shit glue, right?
Yeah. Oh.
OMG. Man, mates, we're really doing this right. Didn't believe that.
No, the rim.
Oh, yeah, because it's just so destroyed there where you are right now. Now we have to find out the remaining glues. Where they go. I think we'll make a cut here.
Yeah. And once everything, all glue strips are applied, and you stay glued to the screen, right?
Yeah, right.
We put all the glue on. What lays that glues, as we always say.
Mm-hmm.
And now, might I hand you with the Lion King like...
Oh, wait a minute. Rafiki, wait. Because this is the final installation. Now this is really the final.
Sounds like a bad slasher. The final installation.
Mm-hmm.
There you go, here is your display.
It would be so ass if I were to like lay it down upside down and then we would notice it and be like, yeah. Well,
alright.
but final installation.
Now we need to really put it perfectly before.
Yeah, that is the problem.
But it looks good.
Alright, can you hold it like this?
Nope.
Oh shit, my finger. Okay.
Oh, down? Down with the display.
Down.
Right there, really.
Mm. Can you make sure it's up there
Right there.
perfectly?
Yeah, it should be now. Wait, no. No.
Oh, now?
Yeah. Now
Mhm.
press.
Not perfect?
No, sure. It's protruding a little bit.
Really?
I think it's about right.
Well, let's set it up then, so we can see
Yeah,
it
that would
finally.
be better, yeah.
And it's back together, mate.
Yeah,
Can you
it's-
believe that?
It's back together, mate. Should we maybe put something on it?
I don't think we have to.
Is that normal that it sticks out a bit?
I don't know. Probably not, but that's just the lack of like cleaning the remaining.
Yeah, probably.
But it's not imperfect, I would say, at all.
No, it's
Look at
very
how-
well done.
Look
yeah.
at how perfect
Oh
we
yeah,
got
that
it.
perfectly
You
fits.
really
yeah.
nailed it. Wow, guys, we need to give you a close up. This is really amazing for
Yeah,
us.
that's really well done.
Because again, remember, this here is a magnet held in, so you just set it down, it will align itself. But here we had to do it.
Yes, and we did it perfectly.
And look at that, no one can see that we've ever done something except maybe here. Because here is the glue, like, still... It's not perfect here, but it's only if you were really to look for it.
For it, yeah.
But here, look at that, it's so perfect. Oh my god. Also the camera is running out of battery.
Nice.
Shit.
We've got perfect timing.
So we can switch back to the Sony.
Yeah.
And yeah. Oh my god.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
We're back to good quality.
Yeah. Plug it in and see what this thing can do.
Yes.
We'll run some benchmarks and compare it.
Nice look at about this clean display with all the
Don't
smudges.
think too much about such details. Look, when it's on, you can't even see them anymore.
Yeah.
But hey, one good thing is about this design,
Yeah.
you can't like make fingerprints underneath. Like
Yeah.
here.
Yeah, it's true.
That's really all. So I think a PRAM reset will help this problem with the long
Slow resetting.
slow loading here. So that's what I'll do in the future, maybe somewhere.
This camera has really great quality, I have to say.
I love this camera. It just
Can you even... Oh, you can zoom manually. Oh my god.
oh my god! Or you can use the
Yeah,
old-fashioned one. And now, mate, what do you say?
there you go.
How hard was it on a scale from 1 to 10?
5.
Yeah, I would say too.
Yeah?
It's maybe really because we're getting much more experience now with the stuff. But if you're patient and not too bad with something like this, you can really do it.
Yeah, I would say too.
It's not so bad.
No, not at all.
Didn't expect you to say that.
Same.
Before we'll run some Cinebench, I'll show you the old score. So before, with the i5, it scored 864 in R20. And in R23, the fancy new one, it scored 2131 multi-core and 635 single-core. And here's also the Geekbench score, if you want to know that.
Okay.
So
And now...
let's open up the mighty Cinebench. I think that's
Mighty,
version 30 R20. And Wi-Fi still works, mate.
Yes, that's
great.
good. That's good.
Let me log into the Wi-Fi. And notice how fast it
Yeah,
brought
it just
up
opened
the
it.
Cinebench.
Yeah. Here as power of SSD. There you go, the i7.
Yeah.
Alright then.
Let's run a Cinebench, and in the meantime, this is gonna be ultimate. We will start your video.
Oh my
The
god.
iPhone,
Oh yeah.
while this is doing the Cinebench.
Yes.
And hopefully I don't get too confused with the clips, but
No, we won't
yeah. I think we're gonna see definitely an improvement there.
be. Yeah.
So yeah, guys, success.
Yes, yes.
It works, it
We
runs.
did it. First try.
It's awesome, first try.
Yes.
Oh my god, awesome. We have concluded our upgrade, and we have
Yes.
now been testing it a bit. Hasn't frozen, no kernel panics. working flawless.
Yes.
And
the results are in. What are the results?
What are the results? Well, we're still running the R23,
yes.
That's the fancy new Cinebench, but the R20 scored with the i5 864 and with the i7 1202.
Oh, it's almost over half faster.
Quite an increase. And on Geekbench, we scored first 711 and 2256 multi-core. And on the new CPU, we have 843 single and 3214.
Almost 1,000 points increase.
Really worth the upgrade.
Oh yes, definitely.
So I'm really curious to see on the R23.
Yeah, we're doing it right now. So you're seeing it finish just as we do.
Yeah, it makes a couple of passes. That's weird. Right now, the CPU is at 94 degrees.
And no, the fans are. We think they are working.
I mean, Apple, your CPU is almost burning, and the computer is still freaking silent. Like, I can hear it barely. Like
yeah. It's like.
I think it's now 3 RPMs faster.
Oh wow!
It's like 94 degrees. Let's ramp it up.
95. Damn.
Wow.
96.
It's almost hitting the TDP.
Look, and now it's cooling. Yeah.
Alright, it's making another pass. Ooh. Maybe this can even go to like 100 degrees. I don't know.
Do you think? Like, oh, I just realized it's not focused nice. But anyway.
Well, we only rambled.
We can conclude that it was bonus.
I mean, I already can say it's definitely an upgrade.
Oh yeah, definitely.
And it was fun.
Oh yes.
I enjoyed it.
Oh, definitely, same. We finally upgraded a modern iMac.
Yes, so...
And now we can actually update all of them.
Yeah.
They're all the same kind of now.
Basically the same, yeah.
They didn't change a lot about anything.
I suppose the 27-inch model is maybe even easier because it's not so cramped.
Yeah, probably.
Well, probably.
But
maybe Apple figured out a way to make it hard.
Maybe they put a lot of foam in there to make it look...
That's it, mates.
That's it, mates.
Alright, see you then when this is done.
Yeah.
So I was just cutting this video, guys, and figured out that we never made a end clip for it. So, here is this end clip. We did the Cinebench R23, and it scored with the old CPU 2131 multi-core and 635 single core, and with the i7 we got 3567 multi-core and 756 single core. So definitely an improvement. Awesome stuff. I didn't benchmark the hard drive. I didn't bother with the SSD. You can just look it up yourself. If you're wondering, here is how much it cost me. The i7 6945, the RAM 6896, which is crazy, almost as much as the CPU basically, and 512 gig SSD. That's wrong. I bought a 480 because that 512 never showed up, but I think it was around the same price. So we come to a total of around 480 bucks, which is decent money for this. I think it's definitely the cheapest way to make it into what it is. Haven't used it all that much though. Yeah, I'm still cutting the video on this because it has a better GPU. It just is that bottleneck with that iMac. That GPU really sucks about that. But yeah, generally I liked it. I will use it a little bit and hopefully sell it off for a little profit. So yeah, guys, that is the video. Thank you for watching and see you later.